Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
तो जी कोई नए लोग आए उनको बता देना, करीब आधा घंटा है भगवान को ओपनिंग। जय राधा माधोवा कुंज बिहारी, गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी, गोपी जन वल्लभा Nandana Raja Janaranjana, Yashodanandana Raja Janaranjana, Yamuna Tira Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu
Bhadreshu
Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya
Nityam
Bhagavata Sevaya
Bhagavati Uttama Shloke
Bhagavati Uttama Shloke
Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtiki
Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtiki. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. कौन सा श्लोक है? 422-1?
Yes, Prabhuji. Waiting with
22.1. 52.
Correct.
Yes, Prabhuji.
मैत्रेय उवाचा
Maitreya Uvacha
जनेषु प्राज्ञनतस्एवम्
Janeshu Pragnatasu Evam
जनेषु प्राज्ञनतस्वेवम्
Janeshu Pragnatasu Evam
पृथुला विक्रमम्
Prithum Prithula Vikramam
तत्रोपजगमुरु मुनयस्
Tatropajagamo Muneyash
तत्वारः सूर्यवर्चसः
Tatvara Suryavarchasaha
मैत्रेय उवाच
Maitreya Uvacha
जनेषु प्राज्ञनतस्वेवम्
Janeshu Pragnatasu Evam
पृथुं पृथुल विक्रमम्
Prithum Prithula Vikramam
तत्रोपजो मुनया
Tatropajagmo Muneyashaha
तत्रोपजगमो मुनयः
Tatropajagmo Muneyaha
चत्वारः सूर्यवर्चसः
चत्वारासूर्यवर्चसः
मैत्रेय उवाच
मैत्रेय उवाच
येषु प्राज्ञिनत्वेष्वम्
जनेषु प्राज्ञतसूरेवम्
जनेषु प्राज्ञिनत्स्वेवम्
जनेषु प्राज्ञतस्वेवम्
पृथुलविक्रमम्
पृथुलविक्रमम्
तत्रोपजग्मो मुनयः
तत्रोपजग्मो मुनयः
चत्वारः सूर्यवर्चसः
चत्वारासूर्यवर्चसः
मैत्रेय उवाच
मैत्रेय उवाच
जनेषु प्राज्ञिनस्वेवम्
जनेषु प्राज्ञतस्वेवम्
पृथुलविक्रमम्
पृथुलविक्रमम्
तत्रोपजग्मो चत्वारः
तत्रोपजग्मो मुनेशः
तत्रोपजग्मो मुनयः
तत्रोपजग्मो मुनयः
चत्वारः सूर्यवर्चसः
चत्वारः सूर्यवर्चसः
मैत्रेय उवाच
मैत्रेय उवाच
जनेषुपगृणस्वेवम्
जनेषु प्राज्ञतस्वेवम्
पृथुलविक्रमम्
पृथुलविक्रमम्
तत्रोपजग्मुः मुनयः
तत्रोपजग्मो मुनयः
चत्वारः सूर्यवर्चसः
चत्वारः सूर्यवर्चसः
जनेषु प्रगणस्वेवम् पृथुं पृथुलविक्रमम् तत्रो प्रजावृणया चत्वारः सूर्यवर्चसः मैत्रेय उवाच जनेषु प्रगणस्वेवम् मैत्रेय उवाच जनेषु प्रगणस्वेवम् पृथुं पृथुलविक्रमम् तत्रोपगजमुनयास् सूर्यवर्चसः
Maitreya Uvacha. And the great sage Maitreya continued to speak. Janeshu, the citizens, Pragrinatsu, while praying for, Evam, thus, Prithum, unto Maharaj Prithu, Prithula, highly, Vikramam, powerful, Tatra, there, Upajagmu, arrived, Munayaha, the Kumara, Chatvaraha, four, Surya, as the sun, Varchasaha, bright. The great sage Maitreya, where the citizens was praying to the most powerful king, Prithu, the four Kumaras who were bright as the sun, arrived on the spot. Tam Susiddheshwaran Raja
तां स्तुतिश्वरं
Vyomno
राजा
Avatarato Archisa
व्योम्नो अवतरो अर्चिषः
Lokan Apapan Kurvanam
लोकान् पापान् कुर्वाणाम्
Anugo Achashta Lakshitan.
अनुगो अचष्टलक्षितान्
Growing effulgence of the four Kumara, the master of all mystics, the king and his associates could recognize them as they descended from the sky. Yes, Mataji, continue.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada Ki Jai. The four Kumaras are described herein as Siddheshwaran, which means master of all mystic power. One who has attained perfection in yoga practice immediately becomes master of the 8 mystic perfections: to become smaller than the smallest, to become lighter than the lightest, to become bigger than the biggest, to achieve anything one desires, to control everything, etc. These four Kumaras, as Siddheshwaras, had achieved all the yogic perfectional achievements, and as such, they could travel in outer space without machines. While they were coming to Maharaja Prithu from other planets, they did not come by airplane but personally. In other words, these four Kumaras were also spacemen who could travel in space without machines. The residents of the planet known as Siddhaloka can travel in outer space from one planet to another without vehicles. However, the special power of the Kumaras mentioned herewith is that whatever place they went to would immediately become sinless. During the reign of Maharaja Prithu, everything on the surface of this globe was sinless, and therefore the Kumaras decided to see the king. Ordinarily, they do not go to any planet which is sinful. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashata Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Tam Susidvesharan Raja,
Ram stu siddheshwarin raja.
Avatarato Archisa,
Vyomano avataroto archisha.
Lokan Apapan Kurvanan,
Lokana papan kurvana.
Chasta Lakshitan.
Pranagochashta
Seeing
lakshitam.
the glowing effulgence of the four Kumara, the master of all mystic power, the king and his saints could recognize them as they descended from the sky. So, what do we get from here? See, four Kumaras will not visit somebody unless the person can take benefit. Like Srila Prabhupada asked, why is it that when Krishna appears in various incarnations on earth, he appeared as Lord Rama also in India, he appears as Lord Krishna also in India, as Lord Chaitanya also in Hare Krishna Prabhuji. किधर से आ रहे हैं? यूपी से, राजस्थान से, देख के लगा। उधर का मंदिर जाते हैं हमारा, किधर? ये राजस्थान में कौन सा मंदिर? हरे कृष्ण, वेलकम। इंग्लिश में चलेगा? रशियन, इंग्लिश, कन्नड़ा, हिंदी। अभी इंग्लिश में क्लास है, सिंपल इंग्लिश है। मैं भी दिल्ली का ही है, मोटा मोटा। So now we have a personality called Prithu Maharaj, and we see that he is getting benefit of association of four Kumaras. So to get an opportunity to associate with such personalities, we should be qualified. And even if such personalities come and meet you, what is the use if you cannot take benefit? Like Srila Prabhupada roamed in India for 70 years. He was walking. Who could recognize him? How many people paid obeisances to his lotus feet? Hardly very few, correct? How many people were, when he started the movement as a preacher, people were thirsty for minutes, seconds for him. If they know Prabhupada is coming to a temple is so crowded that there will be no space. Still, they will not leave that place. So thirsty to hear him. In the memories I hear, one devotee said the temple president came in, there was no place to even come inside the temple. So much crowd. Each temple used to generally have only 100 brahmacharis, not much. Only 100. 5,000 people Prabhupada initiated, they were all full-time. Those who were part-time, they became full-time. Karna kya? A person is walking, Senapati is walking. Who could understand? They just were all the people used to sleep on stairs. Like हमारे भी नहीं सीढ़ी बड़ी बड़ी सीढ़ी वो उसमें सो जाते थे जगह नहीं है सोने का ऐसा हाल है. So they were valuing the association. And where did Prabhupada go then? Was he अपना movement आप जानते हैं ISKCON का movement आचार्य प्रभुपाद जी ने बनाया, ठीक है. वो 70 साल भारत में भ्रमण कर रहे थे. किसी एक ने ना उनको उनके संग का फायदा लिया, किसी ने ना किसी ने ये भी एक आभास किया कि एक महान भक्त है. नहीं, लोगों ने नेग्लेक्ट किया. मैं बहुत बारी बोला, ऐसा नहीं कहीं छुपे हुए थे. वो तो चांदनी चौक एरिया में चिपीवाड़ा में रहते थे. वो तो बहुत ही क्राउडेड एरिया. ऐसा नहीं भाई कोई गांव में कोई बैठे तो किसी को पता नहीं था, है ना. और वृंदावन में he was doing work. उसके पहले he had a business in Allahabad, in Bombay, in Calcutta. He has moved Delhi in crowded areas. ऐसा नहीं है कि छुपे हुए कहीं पे किसी ने देखा नहीं था, ऐसा तो नहीं था. But nobody recognized him. He was not doing kirtan, he was doing kirtan. As a sannyasi daily in Vrindavan, he used to do kirtan. So he was not meeting people. नहीं, बहुत लोगों को मिल रहे थे. वो तो लोग अपनी किताबें लेके के अपने वो मैगजीन जाते थे बेचने के लिए. But nobody could recognize him. ना तो कोई recognize कर पाए, ना कोई उसका फायदा ले पाए. तो क्या फायदा है ना. और 4 कुमारास भी अगर कहीं भी जाएं क्या फायदा, वो उधर जाते हैं जहां कोई उनका फायदा लेना चाहिए. आप सपोज आप नोबल लॉरेट है, मैं हमेशा ये एग्जाम्पल लेता हूँ, और आप यू हैव कम टू सम प्लेस एंड आफ्टर कमिंग टू दैट प्लेस, सपोज यू कम टू बैंगलोर, वुड यू गो टू शॉप में जाके बैठोगे, उधर क्या फायदा लेगा. यू विल गो टू सम इंस्टीट्यूट, सम साइंटिफिक पीपल हु कैन अप्रिशिएट इट, करेक्ट है ना. तो सिमिलरली भगवान भी उधर ही जाते हैं जहां लोग उनका संग ले सकते हैं. People who listen to him, people who are ready to obey him. People are ready to obey him. So this was a very situation that God himself took various incarnations. All incarnations are not on earth. सारे अवतार पृथ्वी पे ही नहीं होते, अलग अलग ब्रह्मांड में अलग जगह होते हैं. But at least the 3 principal incarnations which we connect, Krishna Avatara, Lord Rama Avatara, and Lord Chaitanya, were on Bharatvarsha. Correct? Principle. So, what is so special? Because people could take benefit. But now reverse happened after that. When Srila Prabhupada is making an army, वो एक संगठन बना रहे हैं, एक फौज बना रहे हैं विश्व भर में गीता फैलाने के लिए, और भारत में उनको 70 साल में एक आदमी नहीं मिला मदद करने के लिए. ये कंडीशन रहेगी इस कंट्री का. मतलब घमंड है, हम भारत हैं, हम हिंदू हैं. तुम्हारा तो हालत ये है. मतलब शर्म की बात है कि अमेरिका और रशिया से लेके उनको मूवमेंट बनाना पड़ा, इंडिया में कोई नहीं बना. पीपल आर इन दिस कंडीशन. ऐसा होता है ना, जैसे वी आर बॉर्न इन अ बिग फैमिली, सो वी टेक प्राइड ऑफ दैट. भाई हमारा तो ये वंश है, हमारा तो ये गोत्र है, ठीक है ना. कुछ लक्षण भी तो दिखने चाहिए ना. अरे लक्षण क्या है तुम्हारे? हाँ, लक्षण ये है अभी हम दारू पीते हैं, मीट खाते हैं और पूरे दिन पैसा 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 करके सोचते रहते हैं. ये तुम्हारी क्या कहते हैं ना, ये तुम्हारे संस्कार है। तो इस संस्कार को लेके एक महान भक्त को आप मदद करने नहीं दे पाए। You are so proud, you are born in India, but this is your greatness that no person in India came forward. Yes, I am with you. Not one person. Correct? There was just one disciple, Mishra ji. That was also in his own business. He didn't come forward. Yes, Prabhupada, I am with you. An interesting thing, this came to Prabhupada from America. Low way. Anna? So people, there are two disqualifications we have when you want to serve an acharya. One disqualification is that we are sinful. Other disqualification, we are offensive. In India, people were not as sinful as Americans, but they were offensive. In America, they were very sinful, but no offensive. अपराध होगा तो करेंगे ना। जैसे भारत में आपको किसी को बोलो कृष्ण, कृष्ण मालूम है इतनी बीवियां थी, ये था, वो था, वो था, इतने अपराध कि उसको तुम कुछ बता भी नहीं सकते, वो सुनने के लिए रेडी नहीं, उसका ऑलरेडी मन में नेगेटिव ओपिनियन बना के बैठा हुआ है। अब आप उसको लेके क्या, वो थोड़ी आएगा आपको। क्या होता है ना, जब आपके मन में संदेह होता है, जैसे आपके पास पर्स है, आपके पर्स में, योर पर्स यू हैव सम मनी, नाउ यू विल गिव टू समबडी, बहुत पैसा है, बट समबडी whom you have little doubt, नहीं, उस पर कुछ शंकाएं नहीं, उसको नहीं देंगे। So similarly, the people in India had some doubts, offenses, negative mentality. Therefore, even though it becomes, when offenses are there, it is called a desert. Even if you plant seeds, it will not sprout. It will sprout? Not sprout. रेगिस्तान में, आप तो राजस्थान से हैं, अगर रेगिस्तान में अगर कुछ आप डालोगे तो उगेगा नहीं वो। It will not grow. So similarly, offenses mean it dries out, it destroys everything. No chance. And therefore Prabhupada said, Indians are only imitating Americans. So he brought 500 Americans from. And when they saw them, yeah, now we will take it up. So became, so you see that we may not be, every moment we have a short life. And this is an opportunity for spiritual advancement. Many times we come to ISKCON, we forget that we have to become a pure devotee. We are not come here to become a devotee. Because devotee, then there is no standard, you know. If you call yourself a devotee, somebody chants once Krishna Nama, that is also devotee. So you will come down to any level. When the goal is not there, that I want to progress in spiritual life, I want to taste the nectar Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed, which is there in Krishna consciousness. Then I will go down, and I'm not even bothered how much down I am going. हमको कुछ बुरा भी नहीं लगता कितना नीचे जा रहे हैं. So actually it is very important that we keep the goal to become a pure devotee and become serious in Krishna consciousness. Because people can wear the dress of a devotee, but still do sinful activities. People can wear the dress of a devotee and still do offenses. So these two things, if they are going on, we can call ourselves devotees by external dress, but we are not becoming a pure devotee. International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Once Srila Prabhupada was, they reported to Srila Prabhupada, very interesting, take it in a context what Prabhupada is saying, not a general statement. So one temple, what happened, as usual, there were some local people came in, and also Hindus came in, and they asked the devotees, can you help you in the kitchen? So we can help in cooking and all. So the president said, yes, we know Krishna, we know Krishna, Krishna is God. So they allowed. Prabhupada came to know, so please keep them away. My experience is so bad, they'll never become serious in Krishna consciousness. Prabhupada, very bad, heavy statement. They will never become serious in Krishna consciousness. So the Prabhupada has given encouragement. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, what did he give? Bharat bhumile manushya janma hoile yaar, janma sartha kari karo paropkar. You're born in the land of India. Make your life perfect and save the whole world. This is the statement by Srila Prabhupada. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu 500 years ago. And a statement by his pure devotee, Senapati, some time ago only, he said they will not become serious. क्योंकि घर की खेती घास बराबर. अरे मालूम है कृष्ण, you know Krishna. उनको क्या बताओगे आप? Prabhupada could not preach to them. Just imagine an acharya with full energy, with full determination for 70 years is not able to preach to such people. What is the use? So we should not take, okay, we are born in India, okay, no, I am born. It's not going to be of any use. We have to therefore become qualified. Now Prithu Maharaj is getting association of the 4 Kumaras who are liberated personalities. They can travel at their own will. They can travel wherever they want. They have that privilege. Okay? Even Shukadeva Goswami came to give association to Parikshit Maharaj because he was ready. If Shukadeva Goswami would have come to you think a normal person would take advantage? There was once, I remember, I met somebody. He was the well-wisher of the temple, so I came to know in his house there is death. So I went to his house. So I was trying to explain him, Swamiji, I don't want to hear any philosophy. So what is the use if Shukadeva Goswami goes to a normal person like that? What is the use? Simply waste of time. He said, I am not interested, please go. So we should also be interested, then God will also bless. Tatte ankampama susukshmanaha, always seeking my Lord, please guide me, please bless me, please give me proper mercy. So here, mercy is coming, we'll throw it away. Prabhupada was ready to distribute mercy, nobody took it. Nobody was interested. Rather, they made such a great acharya struggle. Just imagine how it is. They call themselves great. Mera Bharat Mahan, hum Bharat, bahut bade Hindu hain. And acharya struggled to even survive after he left his house. True? Should that have happened? A personality who is of that stature had to struggle. He used to be standing outside somebody's house for, one person saw Srila Prabhupada standing for a few hours. So, Swamiji, why are you standing in the hot sun for such a long time? No, that man said he will give me 2 rupees. 2 rupees is standing. Today, true, by today's standard it will be worth 1,000 rupees, but he's standing, waiting. So he said to Swamiji, please come, I'll give you. So he took Prabhupada and gave him a new set of clothes so that, he's comfortable. And I gave him the 2 rupees. So Prabhupada said, will you give me every month? Prabhupada was clever, but you see that he has to ask like that. Staying in Radha Damodar temple in a very humble situation, living Madhukari, and but why an acharya had to be kept in that condition? But the people who claim themselves, they could not recognize. You want to feel how bad we should feel as feeling ourselves as the great spiritual people, as a nation, did not recognize an acharya. Prabhupada was discovered in the West, interesting, not in India. And when millions of people started becoming, thousands of people joined him full time, gave their life, and millions of people became well-wishers, then gradually the movement took strength. So this is actually, if you can see in a larger perspective, a lot of introspection we should do as a nation, as a personally, as our own self, as an individual. Once what happened, somebody asked Srila Prabhupada, Swamiji, you came to my college 1 year before. You came to my college 1 year before. But I knew there was a program, but I did not come. But next year when you came, I heard you, became a devotee. So why is it that 1 year before I did not come? Prabhupada said, you were not ready at that time. Correct? See, Krishna is there. Krishna knows, here is my pure devotee. Krishna knows who should go there. Krishna did not inspire him that year because he was not ready. So same way, if we are not ready, we will also miss the opportunities for spiritual advancement. Srila Prabhupada left his own association in the form of his books. When you're reading Prabhupada's books, you're associating with him. So you have to choose. Every moment, you may miss an opportunity. So time is very short actually. Now this is, when I take class, actually I'm instructing myself. Time is very short. We should not waste a moment. And opportunities will just slip through. Now these 4 Kumaras have come. You think Prithu Maharaj will let it go? No. He recognized them because of his, not like foolish people who could not recognize Prabhupada. They recognized a great saints have come, 4 famous liberated personalities have come. He washed their feet. He served them. In fact, Prithu Maharaj is said to be perfection in Archana. If you know the Navavidha Bhakti, perfection. Shravanam, the perfection is Parikshit Maharaj. Kirtanam, the perfection is Shukadeva Goswami. Smaranam, the perfection is Prahlad Maharaj. Archanam, the perfection is Prithu Maharaj. He worshipped the great saints. Archanam perfectly worshipped them and then took instructions from them. But even if opportunity like that is there, Prabhupada has given the book so that the opportunity is there for you whole day. Take benefit, take association, build your mental strength. More and more your strength builds up by reading Prabhupada books. Maya will not be able to touch you. The more and more you build your strength by reading Prabhupada books, your preaching will become more effective. But I have no time. I have something better to do. So now you come to know 4 Kumaras have come. Want you run and take advantage of that opportunity, or you will be busy with so many things. Therefore, Srila Prabhupada time, busy full time only. Because they could understand. Now opportunity is there, why not join his mission full time unless there is something which is holding me. If it is possible, why not serve? Like Srila Prabhupada wrote to his spiritual master, how can I serve you? Why not we serve? But Srila Prabhupada had a responsibility. He has a family and other things, so he took care of that. But the moment opportune moment came, things were settled up. He 55 years, something he was there. Then wife was taken care of the children, she's happy with them. Then Hare Krishna, he ran to fulfill the mission of his spiritual master. He knew, Prabhupada said, my spiritual master is from Vaikuntha. What can I say? So he was waiting to dedicate himself. And moment an opportunity came, he dedicated himself to fulfill the mission of his spiritual master. So similarly, Srila Prabhupada has also given us so many desires. And our spiritual advancement lies in fulfilling those desires. Just pick up any one of them and constructively develop. Individually we cannot do anything, together as a team, constructively develop that how do I make more and more people take to Krishna consciousness? How can I make more and more people the different desires of Srila Prabhupada establish it? In a sense, the desire is the Krishna consciousness spread. That's it. Okay, but how can I do it? So to recognize an Acharya and serve the Acharya, Prithu Maharaj did it. But are we doing it even now? Have we now said, yes, I just want to serve Srila Prabhupada's mission. That's the mission of my life. Whatever I can do, I'll do it. So that more and more people take to Krishna consciousness. Won't that be amazing? Okay. So now sometimes we feel, oh, Krishna was so kind. He talked to Arjuna. Krishna was so kind. He sent Shukdev Goswami to guide Parikshit Maharaj. Krishna is so kind. He sent 4 Kumaras to guide Prithu Maharaj. He's not so kind to me. He's more kind than that. But we are not taking the benefit. Krishna is not partial. Krishna is being extremely kind. Particularly in Kali Yuga, he is being extremely kind. Mahavadanyaya is extremely kind. But then we should take the full opportunity. Then he will give more and more. More and more. There is no limit to how much Krishna can guide us, how much Krishna can give mercy to us. But provided we are ready, it's just like a river. Now you go a spoon, you can fill the spoon and come from the river. You have a bucket, you can go fill bucket and bring. Now it's your problem if you take a spoon or your problem if you take a bucket. You cannot blame the river. The river is ready, take as much as you want. So in the same way, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving unlimited mercy through Srila Prabhupada, his servant. He is giving unlimited mercy. Now it is for us how much you want to take, how much mercy you want to take, how much realization you want to take, how much benefit spiritually you want. It is left to us. We cannot blame the situation or the circumstance. It is we who have to actually take the full opportunity which is coming in front. And then more and more will come. Okay. So therefore it has been said here that Prithu Maharaj made earth sinless. And therefore we see he is visiting here. 4 Kumaras are visiting. So Prabhupada comments on the end, they do not go to a sinful place. It's very interesting. Very interesting. So we have to keep ourselves sinless, at least. Yesham tu antagatam papam jananam punyakarmanam te dvandamo nirmuktam bhajante mam dhirada prataha. So when we have been free from sinful activity, then birth after birth, we are doing pious activities, or say day after day at least, then birth will come. Okay? So then what happens? They, such people, dvandamo nirmuktam, they're mindily free from any duality. They can work with great absorption to serve the Lord. Like we see Srila Prabhupada, there's such energy for serving the Supreme Lord. There's such enthusiasm. Why? Because antagatam papa. Prabhupada used to laugh. He said, as far as this life is concerned, I have not forgotten Krishna for one moment. Sometimes Srila Prabhupada used to say that I don't even know about other sinful activities. Our life is so pure. So, where is our condition? Our day starts with sin, ends with sin, in between is a totally sinful life. So, how we can work with an energy and enthusiasm to serve the Acharya, energy and enthusiasm to serve Krishna, it will just slip away. So unless we take a determination, no, now let me become serious, the human life will slip away. The opportunity to advance spiritually will slip away, and life will just be gone. And we will be dying with some material desire strong in our heart. And okay, some japa we have done, so Krishna will fulfill that. So where we came to get Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Prema, we will end up just rotting in this world and continuing the cycle of birth and death. So let us not throw away this opportunity. It is, Prabhupada says, committing suicide. Let us not throw away this opportunity. Let us not be happy being so-called devotee who make some offenses, sometimes sinful activities. Please do not be satiated with that foolishness. You have come here again, I am telling, to become a Shuddha Bhakta, your devotee. That level of seriousness we should have. I have come here to become a pure devotee. That reflects in your chanting, most important part of the day, that reflects in your reading, Shravanam, that reflects in your service, that reflects in your association, that reflects on every part of your day. How serious you are to go back to Krishna. So that is what differentiates us. Now if you see Prithu Maharaj and us, he's also a devotee and I am also a devotee. Yeah, you are a devotee, but he's a serious devotee. You are just hanky-panky, that's all. Not a devotee. Therefore, why is it then again and again Prabhupada says Kanishta Adhikari, Madhyama Adhikari, Uttama Adhikari. These are the broad stages, just like we say, Kaumaram, Yauvanam, Jara. So we don't say there are so many, what age you are, what month, it is 11-year-old, 11 months old child, 12 months old child. We see it all. So similarly, it's not there once like Kanishta means, no, there are so many gradations in Kanishta, then Madhyama, then Uttama. Like we have first year, second year, third year, fourth year, 10th year, Kaumaram, Yauvana, then uske baad Jara. So it's they're not that we just take, okay, 3 slots. Within that, there are so many levels. So that's what the difference. What is the difference? You see, Parikshit Maharaj, perhaps we will also make statement like Parikshit Maharaj said, some statement we'll make. Just a statement. That I don't want anything, I just want to hear, but it's spoken without any sincerity of purpose, which is visible in the day as we pass on. He says, I don't want nothing. Many people will make such a statement also, being born in a Vedic culture. Oh, I have now days remaining, I don't want a drop of water, I just want to hear Krishna Katha. And then you see within 2 minutes he's reading newspaper for the whole day. What is there? Simply a joker. So we want to remain a joker, you want to become serious. What do we see when we see Bhagavatam? We see people who are serious in Krishna consciousness. Don't make it a joke, Prabhupada said. Spiritual life, don't make it a joke. What do we see? Can't we see Parikshit Maharaj is so serious? 7 days without drop of water and without food, he doesn't want to miss an opportunity. What is the difference? You see, Srila Prabhupada, they used to tell the atmosphere was so thick, so thick. They say it was not easy, even in presence. It's so intense atmosphere, so intense. That's what I heard from the devotees. Because extremely serious to preach Krishna consciousness, extremely serious to practice Krishna consciousness. So, not that I've been initiated, something is going on. This is not spiritual life. This is just a waste, not last. See, the dramas will not last long. How many people we have seen, there's so much so-called leaders, so much, it all evaporates away. No drama will last. Nothing artificial will last for long. We have to become sincere and serious, then it will go on. Srila Prabhupada used to say, they're making a big temple. If there is no bhava, if there is no serious spirit to serve the Lord, this will not last. It will become like big godowns. That's all, big halls. There are certain places you go, in Tamil Nadu even, unkept temples. Temples which are not maintained. And we ought to do Sankirtan. First, you have to take the brooms and remove the parrot stool, the pull. Then we could do kirtan there. So Prabhupada said this will become the place. The crows will come and pass stool. Or even some temples, unfortunately, even dogs enter and pass stool. Such condition. So, if we develop Krishna consciousness, our own heart will become a place like a honeybee. The people will come and take association. Why is it that the people don't come to us for association? Because that's how the heart is. They don't find any benefit. There is no use hearing him. There is nothing in his heart. Because stool is lying there. The crows and dogs are coming and putting stool there. This is how the bhava of Krishna Bhakti is there. The crows and the dogs, if they're entering a temple, we chase them away. They make it dirty, particularly dogs. So that is the same way in our heart, sinful desires, sinful activity, unwanted, when Raghunath Das Goswami asked Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu through Sarup Damodara, now give me instruction. I left everything and I come at a lotus feet, give me instruction. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what he says, Bhalona khaive, Bhalona, don't be too much be absorbed in wearing good clothes or eating nicely. Grama katha na shuni vina bolive. Don't hear ordinary village talk, don't even speak it. He gave instruction to become serious. These are open, common sense instruction for anybody. But no, this is all I do. I see how I can impress people by wearing good clothes, and I can take care of overindulgence and taking care of my body, and I can do all these things very nicely. And grama katha na shunige, that's all I do whole day. Very attractive it is actually. And bolive, that's all what I talk. When I meet people, they talk grama katha because that's what they are reading all day. A devotee is reading about Krishna. You know, sometimes when people used to meet Srila Prabhupada, in the beginning Prabhupada Vyavarika, yes, what do? You are a gardener? Yes. What is your age? 80 years. How many teeth you have? So I don't have any teeth. Prabhupada say, yes, I have all the teeth. So in the Vyavarika level we talk, but then we come to Krishna consciousness. Not that we talk Grama Katha only whole the day. But sometimes because that is what we are doing, that's what we do. Prabhupada said always, a devotee reads Bhagavatam, a karmi reads newspaper. That's the difference. Because that is the taste he has. Okay, so we have to therefore take an opportunity. We see how fortunate is Prithu Maharaj getting association of four Kumaras. So similarly, by mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we have been left with association of Srila Prabhupada. But do we take the benefit or not? It's left to us. We still free a part of Srila Prabhupada's movement. Do we take the benefit to do some service in this movement? To see this movement spreads, the message of Krishna consciousness spreads? Now it's our own fortune or misfortune. You know, Krishna is not depending on anybody. When Srila Prabhupada was traveling in America, they looked to be devotees, kept after them. When Srila Prabhupada was in America, went to America, actually Prabhupada himself says that Krishna had already sent all of you to help me. Because it was not ordinary that these people, it is not ordinary that the people that came to serve Srila Prabhupada were not ordinary, they were strong devotees. Otherwise they will not be there with him for such a long time. You know, that Mataji had come, Surabhi Mataji, you know, this is one class and Prabhupada said, my spiritual master sent all of you to assist me to fulfill his order. So we asked Srila Prabhupada, what are you saying, you know? We were living in a sinful situation, born in such an atmosphere. Wow, how do you say we are the people sent by your spiritual master? Prabhupada said, that is superficial. Moment you heard the Harinama, you came running. You came running. You're all people sent by my spiritual master. So in that way, you know, but still as an Acharya, he is not dependent on ABC. If ABC doesn't come to help him, then DF will come. You know, he will make strong devotees. Similarly, we are not indispensable in the mission of Srila Prabhupada and Lord Krishna. It is for us to grab the opportunity. Those who are intelligent will grab the opportunity. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Prithuji yato aja nagaradi grama sarate prachare bhamarana. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, every town and village the name will go. Now those who are intelligent will grab the opportunity to be part of this, you know, wonderful mission. They will grab. Those who are foolish, there are ways to, people, Prabhupada says very nicely, he says, people are using their intelligence to find out how to waste time. Not how to utilize time, how to waste time. That's how the world is. And we see this opportunity, we take. You know, I told a joke, I went to one college and I asked a student, how is life? Sir, I don't know how to spend my time. That is the reality. Youngsters don't know how to spend time. They just want to find ways. You know, that's what happens in India, at least, the West also is similar. They just, because studies nobody does. And they're all sitting here, how to spend the time today. Okay, we will do this, and all sinful activities. This idle mind is devil's workshop. They get into, in fact, if I was to advise on the education, at least certain education can be made into half the time. People are so free and they're so wonderfully the teaching occurs that nobody is absorbed in the teaching. Students just don't feel part of the education. And then idle mind devil's workshop, they're free from any control of the parents. They're sitting in a situation in a hostel. And what I've seen, I can tell from my eyes. The hubnet of sinful activities. Prabhupada said that's what the situation of schools and colleges, hubnet. The place where children learn how to do sinful activity and spend their time. There was once I was talking to some student, he said, with of sinful activity, it disturbs your mind, that day you cannot, study. So not some days, months go like that. This is the situation. We are facing this situation in the world today. Okay? So we need to come from that, go forward, and by mercy of Srila Prabhupada, yes, now become a devotee. Now go forward more. I want to really give a smile to Srila Prabhupada. Wonderful, wonderful. Prabhupada should be wonderful. What you have done, Prabhupada is so happy. Do something like that. I gave the joke many times. I said that, no. Prabhupada said, Bhaktivinoda Thakur did it. He did. Single-handedly he saved the whole mission of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. My Guru Maharaj did it. He did it. He brought so many mathas, made a huge manpower, and Gaudiya Matha, he did it. And Srila Prabhupada did it. What an achievement, worldwide movement of ISKCON. Now we are not, these are all people from Goloka. No, we cannot do like that, but at least something I did. No, what did I do? Something I did it. And she is so happy, smile. Not that, when we are buying clothes for ourselves in the market, what do? We buy the best possible. Isn't it? We're buying the car, we buy the best possible. Buying the shoes, we buy the best. We say Yukta Ahara. We say that Yukta Vairagya I'm doing. Getting a mobile, the best possible I can get. We do all these things in Yukta Vairagya. So, when service to Krishna, we're ready for the worst. Krishna says, somebody was telling in Bhagavad Gita, he says in the 12th chapter, that, if we can be absorbed in Krishna, but it's not possible. So Krishna gives a concession. You can do sadhana, but Krishna says, you cannot do sadhana. Then, you can just help the devotees. You cannot help the devotees. Krishna goes on. The first three, anyway, we are interested, direct way. So, you can do anything that you want. No, we should try to do the best. Why the worst? When Krishna said, you're not able to do sadhana also, just tell the devotee, go forward. It's good. Srila Prabhupada and the Acharyas are so merciful that even somebody is positive. We were, I don't know whether we heard, Seva Swarup Prabhu was explaining that we wanted, Bhaktivinoda Thakur had developed something called Shraddha Kuti. What is that? Shraddha Kuti, where the house in which Shraddha is there. And they have basic faith. Even one person is chanting one round, that's okay. And in the house, meat is not eaten, that's all. So the basic definition, now ISKCON is using bhakti homes. So we will also start the ceremony very soon. Now I think until next week we are busy with the registration going on, so we will not distract. Then after the new batch starts, we'll start bhakti homes. And we will also make a sticker, big sticker. We can put in the front of the house, just like people put swastika or something. Bhakti home. So devotees are going, hey, Bhakti home, we can go there. We can go to that house. He's favorable to ISKCON. Maybe we should have a flag. We can see it easily, that house, that house, that house. So why not one, two? Every house become a Bhakti home. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's prophecy is fulfilled. That is what Srila Prabhupada wanted. It's not difficult. One by one, so many steps can be taken, but let us be absorbed in the mission of Srila Prabhupada. See that this happens. See that this happens. How it is done. How is that? We finish the temple, it's just a tool we have. Now we have to use this tool to preach Krishna consciousness. Actually, when a temple opens from a small, we were just strength of maybe 3-4 devotees 5 years ago. Now come to the situation, the temple is there now. But the first challenge was to stabilize the SEVA. Now the Lord has come in a big altar. There are so many rules, regulations, SEVA. Then kitchen, the DT kitchen. These are the challenges, the internal challenges to stabilize the SEVA. We cannot invite the Lord and neglect the SEVA. That's not first thing we have to. You make a big temple, first thing you have to stabilize the SEVAs to the Lord. And that is also preaching. It's not that that's not preaching, that is also preaching. People come and see the deities are served nicely, they're very happy. And now that's also part of it. No, deities are left unattended, don't even dress properly, not proper offerings are happening to them. Then what is your preaching? People are seeing. People are coming now. So that's also part of it. It's not a burden, it's intelligence. The Lord, people are coming to the temple, Lord should be properly worshipped. That's preaching, that's big preaching. You know, preaching doesn't mean only giving a book in somebody's hand, preaching. Everything is preaching. Even a devotee cooks prasadam, he is also preaching. Everybody is preaching. So that is the effort. In fact, now is an opportunity. When you sit down at the temple hall, people come talk to you. So many people become devotees. And then as we are able to now gradually organize, I think by the next week, this weekend, we can start Harinam and book distribution now. Krishna is sending more people. And we have a lot of temples. Mangalore is full of temples, a lot of festivals. Go and distribute Prabhupada books there. And anyway, we are having different ways to keep inviting people. We want this become a temple where thousands of people come. In fact, I used to think like that. The Mangalore people are not easy because they are little stuck to their rituals and customs, whichever they are in. It's not that they are not doing. In some cities, what happened, people are not doing anything, so it's easy to bring them to Krishna consciousness. But here, people are stuck to their own rituals, maybe low-level rituals. These are not sattvic, but more rasic, tamasic. Better to bring them to Krishna consciousness. I have to think, I need a temple like this, so we have nice sankirtan. They come first, when the temple is there, then there is a nice sankirtan, they sit down, and the heart opens out in Krishna consciousness. It's a big task we have. Okay, Hare Krishna everybody, Hare Krishna.
Hare
Thank you.
Krishna Prabhuji, thank you. Dhanvat pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji,
Thank you,
Sadhana
Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Sadhana Pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
I was on,
Pranam Prabhuji, Hare Krishna. Thank you for the class.
I was in 4 days, I was in Visakhapatnam, we had a South Indian. Then 4 days I
Missed you, Prabhuji.
was a little cold. No, many devotees taking good class. You heard
This time
Yes,
so
we
many.
missed you, Prabhuji.
Daily we want to hear
Yes.
Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
It's good. It's good. Many devotees take class. You get varieties of angles to look at Krishna consciousness. Okay. Hare Krishna, everybody.
Hare
Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Pranam Prabhuji,
Thank you,
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna.
Prabhuji,
Thank you for the class.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, Vishakhapatnam Mataji. Prabhuji, with
Nitai
Vishakhapatnam
Mataji.
Mataji, Nitai Sevini Mataji is coming to Chennai.
Yeah, she is.
Sunday and Sunday to give lecture.
Yeah, you met her? I had a long meeting with her. She was very, very happy. Our temple has become famous because of all of you. So she wants to know. In fact, and her husband is a very good friend. I invited them to come.
Oh, very nice.
Take it. Hare
Prabhuji,
Krishna.
I have met
Hare
her
Krishna.
at the Vyas Puja of
Hare Krishna,
Jayapataka
Prabhuji.
Maharaj. Her husband also and Nitai Mataji also.
Okay, good. Good. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So we have darshan of Radha Govinda. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare
Rama, Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Rama
Hare
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 Krishna
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 Hare
Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Hare
Rama
Hare Rama
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 Rama Hare
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 Hare Hare
Hare
Krishna
Hare Krishna
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 Krishna Hare Hare Hare
Hare
Rama
Rama
Hare
Hare
Rama
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 Rama Hare
Rama
Hare
Hare Hare
Hare Krishna
Thank you.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama